Hello, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to create multiple listings within one listing on eBay. This is also known as bulk listing. I tried to do this myself and figuring it out on my own was very difficult, and it did take me quite a long time. So I thought to save you time, I would make a quick video just to show you how to do it. So the first thing you need to do is to type on Google UK eBay Seller Hub if you are a seller from the UK. Click on the first result and then you'll need to sign in to your eBay account. Mine was already signed in. Then you need to click on sell, look to your right and press create listing and then select multiple listings. Okay, so now you've got your listing, you'll need to fill in all the relevant details. The part that makes it a multiple listing is where it says variations. I spent ages trying to look for it. So in the 2020 version in the UK, it's the 6th option down and then you'll press on create variations. I don't know what MPN is, so I'm just going to get rid of that. In this example, I'm thinking of listing t-shirts in various colors and sizes, so that is what I'm going to create. Then I'm clicking on add and seeing if they have size already available, which they do, so I click on that and then press save. And you can also create your own options. For the size, I'm just making it really simple and using extra small, small, medium, large and extra large. You'll need to scroll down so that you can add photos of the items that you're listing. The important part for your bulk listing is going down to where it says add variation photos and then select based on your variations. So for example, I'm going to select color, and now you can see that all the different colors that I offer for the t-shirts, my imaginary t-shirts, are there, and you can add individual photos for those colors. And this means that when someone clicks on your listing and they select a certain color, all the photos that you've put next to that color will be shown to them. And if you scroll down further, you'll be able to put the price for each item. I've not quite figured out how to add the same price for all of the listings. As you can imagine, if you have about 100 different combinations, then it can take quite a while. So if anyone's figured out how to do that, please let me know. And if you've added everything into your listing, like the title, description, and all the little details, it will probably not say save and close, it will probably say save and list, and that's how you create your bulk listing on eBay. I hope that's helped you to understand how to create multiple listings on eBay or bulk listing. If you've liked this video, please give it a like and subscribe to see more videos like this on my channel. Thank you very much for your time. I hope you have a great day, and I guess I'll catch you in my next video. Bye bye.